Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just got my hands on a brand new monitor. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I bought this with my own money because I couldn't resist the deal. This is the AOC U32 U3CV, a 32-inch 4K monitor, and I came across it on my favorite Swiss tech website, DG Tech. And I couldn't believe the price, just 488 Swiss francs. For a monitor like this, that's amazing. I've been thinking about upgrading my monitor for a while now. My original plan was to go for a high-end Dell monitor. Those are still at the top of my wish list, but the one I really want is around 1.2k Swiss francs. And now just didn't feel like the right moment to splurge on features like an integrated hub with a separate Ethernet port and a few other bells and whistles my current monitor lacks. So, when I spotted this AOC, I thought, why not give it a try? Especially since, as always, I'll trade my old monitor for at least 300 Swiss francs, so it's not money lost at all. Honestly, that made the decision so much easier. I'm so relieved to finally have a monitor with a dedicated Ethernet port. No more separate docking station with cables everywhere and extra adapters. It's such a game changer. This monitor also comes with 2 USB-C Thunderbolt ports and a few extra USB-C ports, which is super handy. If I were designing it though, I'd probably include more USB-C ports instead of the classic USB-A ones. Let's be honest, these days almost every device supports USB-C for both input and output, so it just makes sense to lean into that. After the unboxing and that satisfying new factory smell, I decided it was the perfect time to reorganize my desk. I'm not just swapping out my old monitor for the new one. I'm taking this as an opportunity to clean up and do some proper cable management. Every time I change something on my desk, I like to make sure the setup looks and feels as clean and efficient as possible. After a quick cleanup and some cable rearranging under the main wood panel, I thought that this probably won't be my final setup, so I decided to onboard the new monitor right away. To keep things simple, I left the desk minimal. Just the monitor, my MacBook, the keyboard and the mouse. I even went with a closed lid setup for my MacBook to really embrace that clean, clutter-free vibe. And wow, what a great sensation. It only took a few minutes of using the monitor for me to notice how impressive the absolute black levels were on this IPS panel. My previous monitor from AOC is a VA panel, so this also was a noticeable step up. Maybe it's thanks to the HDR technology, I'm not entirely sure. I'm no expert in display tech, but I can tell you this, as someone who's not a veteran designer or a professional video editor, I still felt the difference immediately. Watching movies and working in night mode, which I do most of the time, feels so much better with the improved contrast and richer black tones. It's subtle that makes a big impact on the overall experience. But let's take this setup a step further, because we can do better than this. I've been using monitor arms for years now, and honestly, I can't imagine going back. They offer such a clean, streamlined feel for my desk. Plus, if I ever wanted to expand to a dual monitor setup, like adding a second 27-inch screen, it's way easier to attach another arm to the same pole than deal with separate monitor stands cluttering the space. Another big advantage, cable management. With monitor arms, it's so much easier to hide cables neatly behind the arm. Let's be real, no matter the brand, the cable management options on stock monitor stands are usually underwhelming. And I really can't stand the cables spread everywhere look. It's not just messy, it's distracting. For me, it's more than just about style and design. Keeping a clean desk helps me stay focused and productive in my personal workspace. When you're spending hours at your desk, whether working or relaxing, a tidy and organized setup can make all the difference. Okay, so at this point I was feeling pretty confident about my purchase. I spent some time reading articles, browsing the web, watching YouTube videos and coding, all while exploring the monitor's menu settings to test the different preset modes. Surprisingly, the standard preset turned out to be the best overall. While the HDR movie and photography modes were absolutely stunning for visuals, I had to remind myself that I have the Lunar macOS app. This app gives me full control over the monitor's hardware settings like contrast and brightness, so I can easily adjust the things when the standard preset feels a bit dim, especially in darker room. I also tried out the HDR range mode to test real HDR content, and while it's undeniably impressive when watching native HDR videos, it's not ideal for tasks like coding, browsing or reading. In those situations, the brightness can feel a bit too low, so I found myself sticking to the standard preset with HDR range disabled for day-to-day use. It's a great balance for both productivity and casual use. As I mentioned earlier, this isn't my final fully optimized clean setup. So the next day I came back to refine it even further, especially the cables under the monitor and the desk. I added an extra cable organizer and a multi-socket plug, which made a huge difference. Now my setup is as simple and clean as I wanted. When I sit in front of my desk, I can barely notice the cables, and honestly, it feels so good. There is something so satisfying about the tidy workspace. It's not just about the aesthetics, it really helps me stay focused and enjoy the time I spend here, whether I'm working or just relaxing.